Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to use the BeReal app. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Stay with me. Let's get started. Before that, be sure you've installed the app on your phone and you have already logged into your account. If you haven't done that already, then go ahead and do that first. Now let's get to the point. So first of all, open the app on your phone. As soon as you open the app, you will see this kind of notification on the top of your screen. You just have to tap on it. If you couldn't tap on the notification on the first try, then you can always ask to resend the notification. So tap on resend notification. Allow the app to take pictures and video. Also allow it to access your location. Now all you have to do is capture a photo from this camera. You can turn the flash on if you want to and just capture it. Once you do that, both your front camera as well as your back camera will start working. You can see the result of the front camera at the top left corner. After you're done capturing the picture, you can save the photo on your device if you want to. For that, you'll have to tap on the download icon. Then all you have to do is tap on this send icon. Now you can either share it with your friends only or with everyone on the BeReal app. You can also share your position if you want to, but that's optional. Now tap on the send icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And here you can add a caption if you want to. Tap on where it says add a caption. Then type the caption here. You can write anything you want to. After that, tap on the tick icon at the top right corner. And as you can see, your BeReal post has been uploaded. Your friends will be able to see your post now. If you want to make your BeReal public, then tap on Discovery. On this page, you'll simply have to tap on Add my BeReal to Discovery and it will be public. This is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.